Hello, welcome back. And today we're talking about another good topic of organizing and how it will help you clear your mind and not be so anxious and everything all the time, and actually help you get more things done and attract the things that you want into your life to come into your life. So this is one of the most important things you can do in your own life, and it is organizing. And I know you'll probably think this is really crazy, but hear me through. I'll keep this really short, and you'll feel motivated to do this after the fact or after watching this, like I did when I first heard about this concept too. And it gives room, it makes room for all the things that you do want to come in your life, and it's a real thing. So, first of all, get rid of things you're not using or they will curse you. This is an Arabic saying. And it is true. If you have things in your life or clothes you're not wearing or you don't like them or things just not bringing joy into your life, get rid of them so that they're not cursing you. Let them be a blessing to somebody else, and get rid of that stagnant energy inside your home, inside your room, inside your place. This is really, really important. So make a giveaway pile. And also minimalism really helps with this. That's how I live. I try to keep everything as minimalist as possible. I just have what I need and what I absolutely adore and what is beautiful and really makes me happy. And that makes life really simple too. And then I have this little spot in my closet where I have to give away. So I can make like friends gift baskets and things out of that. And that's also really fun too. So clean up. Clean up your room, clean up your closet, clean up under your bed, clean up your drawers, clean up your papers, your library. I recently redid this in my room too. Clean your truck, clean your vehicle. I recently cleaned my vehicle. A lot of people, they have stories that they manifested their next vehicle or their dream vehicle just after them cleaning their own. So take care of what you have for you to be able to have more. Because you're not going to keep your dream vehicle nice if you already have no habits in place on how to keep your vehicle now nice or your room now nice. Like if you want to have a really nice home someday, you're not going to be able to keep a whole house organized if you can't even keep your room organized. So start with that. It will clean your mind. Doing all this will clean your mind. As women, we have a lot of open windows open in our mind. Like a computer, it has a lot of windows open and gets bogged down. With us as women, with our brains just going everywhere all at once, having a messy environment really stresses us out. And this can be subconscious, or you can consciously be knowing that, all of this is just really too much for me. So that's where cleaning everything out, it puts your mind at ease. It puts your subconscious at ease. And then you can rest better at night. More ideas can flow through you. You can create more things. You can have more money, it'll just open up all the energetics of your space. And, you have to clean out so that you can allow what you want in. So I'll do what I wrote down. It will clean your mind and allow you to have what you want when you do this. Now clean out time so you have time for what you're calling in. Because how will God give you any more if he sees you're already overwhelmed and can't handle what you already have, right? So if you already feel overwhelmed and like, I can't handle anything more in my life, but I really want a partner, you don't even have time for a partner. So if you came in, you would have it takes time to be romanced and spend time with somebody and have fun and make memories. But if you're constantly super, super, super busy, you don't even have time for that. So God's not even going to allow somebody to come in your life because you're already super stressed out. So work on becoming happy and clearing out your schedule, getting rid of anything that isn't necessary, that isn't expanding your soul, that isn't lighting you up. Get rid of all those things off your calendar so that you have time and space for the things you want in your life. That's the only way they can be brought in. And this was really powerful for me when I heard that, because I find myself being super busy and doing a lot of things. But it's important to clear those things out. Just think, we're in this universe. We're this tiny, tiny speck in a solar system and a galaxy and galaxies upon galaxies and hundreds of billions of galaxies upon hundreds of billions of galaxies. and think like, what I'm doing, like, does it actually really matter? Like in the long run, is it really helping God's purpose? Is it really helping other people? Is it in my best interest? Is it in the best interest of God for me to be doing this and the world? Most of the time it's no. If you're taking just random classes or doing random things or helping people who don't really need to be helped, or all of these like energy wasters, or just spending time at parties or friends' places that really aren't helping you along in life, don't be doing them. Cut those things out of your life. You'll be much better off just meditating those hours you would have been doing all of that, or resting, or sleeping, or just allowing ideas to come through you, doing inner work in your own life, taking courses, doing things that will improve your own life. That you won't be empty. You won't, if you think that taking things out of your calendar, you'll be like, what am I supposed to do? No, there's plenty to do. And if you're stuck in the thing of, I have to always be doing something, that means you need to do some shadow work, and you have some little t trauma from your past and from your childhood that makes you feel like you always have to be doing something to be worthy, or to keep your mind off of something your mind is scared of just coming to terms with. And you need to sit down with yourself and be like, you know what, why can't I just be still and relax and be calm and be quiet and be still? Like, why can't you? Like, this is a deep thing. This takes some inner work. Journal this out. And if you want to go deeper, check out my course, Divinely Favored, which goes very much into shadow work and all kinds of other super good, deep inner work that will unlock those things in your life so you can start living your own dream life and be in control of it. Because, you know, we get one life, and I want you to be living your dream. So definitely check that out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.